Blockchain is the technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. At its core, it's a digital ledger that records transactions in a secure, transparent, and decentralized way. Unlike traditional ledgers controlled by a single entity, blockchain exists on thousands of computers worldwide. Here's how a blockchain transaction works. Alice sends 1 Bitcoin to Bob. The transaction is broadcast to the network. Nodes verify Alice has enough Bitcoin. Verified transactions are bundled into a block. The block is linked to the previous block, forming a chain. Everyone's copy of the ledger updates permanently. Each block contains transactions, all transfers in that block, timestamp, when the block was created, block hash, a unique digital fingerprint, previous block hash, linking it to the chain. These blocks form a chain, making it impossible to change past records without breaking the entire chain. Blockchain is secure because decentralized. No single authority can change it. Cryptography. Hashes act like fingerprints. Changing one invalidates the block. Consensus mechanisms. The network agrees on valid transactions using proof of work or proof of stake. Think of blockchain like a public library ledger. Every transaction is recorded. Every visitor can see it. No one can cheat or erase it. Or a Google Sheet with superpowers. Everyone can view and verify, but no one can secretly edit, and it updates automatically worldwide. Blockchain isn't just for Bitcoin. Real-world uses include Bitcoin, BTC, digital gold and currency, Ethereum, ETH, smart contracts that execute automatically, NFTs, unique digital art and collectibles, supply chain, tracking food or products from origin to store, DeFi, decentralized finance apps for lending, borrowing, and trading without banks. Blockchain is revolutionary because it allows trust without middlemen, no banks needed. Transparency. Everyone can verify transactions. Security. Records are extremely difficult to alter. Programmable money. Smart contracts create new possibilities for apps and finance. In short, blockchain is a decentralized, secure, transparent digital ledger. It powers cryptocurrencies, ensures trust, and enables smart contracts, NFTs, and decentralized finance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Crypto VIP Lobby, and share this video. Blockchain is a global, decentralized ledger. Nodes connect and blocks form the immutable chain. Each transaction is recorded in a digital ledger, time-stamped and tamper-evident. Blocks lock together using cryptographic hashes, creating a verifiable chain where each block references the previous. Smart contracts automate agreements. When conditions are met, transactions execute and update the ledger. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are examples of assets transacted and recorded on these ledgers. Together, decentralized networks, cryptographic hashes, and secure protocols provide a resilient and transparent system for recording transactions.